Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Emily Rassam. Today we are making homemade carrot cake. For this recipe, we are going to need 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, some vanilla, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. A little bit of sugar. I used honey crystals here, 2 carrots, and then I decided to add just a little bit of coconut and golden raisins for extra flavor. First, you're going to start by adding the melted butter to your carrot mixture. Give that a quick stir before we go on to the next step. Make sure you get this combined thoroughly so you have the coconut and the raisins spread evenly throughout your cake. Let's get started on the cream cheese frosting. First, we are going to add 1 cup of cream cheese. It works best if you soften this ahead of time, so you can mix it well. I like to make mine in the food processor so I get it nice and smooth. Make sure you get it all inside before you start adding the other ingredients. Next, we are going to add about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I didn't have powdered sugar, so I put some regular granulated sugar in the food processor and mix it really well. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of softened butter and just a tiny bit of flour. And a nice pour of vanilla before you start mixing. Place the top and secure tightly on your food processor before you begin processing. Process this until smooth and all of the chunks have disappeared. It might take a minute, so be patient. Once you've added the mixture, go ahead and pour in your tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of milk. Add this slowly, as you don't want to over add the milk. Sometimes you need a little more, sometimes you need a little less. Once it gets a little more liquidy, you're going to want to make sure the top is on the food processor so nothing splashes out. When the desired consistency is reached, a nice and creamy cream cheese frosting, go ahead and remove it. For mine, I added it to a Ziploc baggie and piped it onto the carrot cake. It looks really nice on the buns. As you can see, it's melt in your mouth delicious, has some nice texture, and the sweetness from the cream cheese frosting is out of this world. Go ahead and enjoy it with a nice cup of coffee or espresso. That's my favorite way. Don't forget to like our channel and subscribe. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see you again soon.